Wow, wow, guys, over there's one of the best supercar this morning, the Porsche Carrera. Wow, wow, guys, followed by the Sami used Van Mac. Beautiful, guys, incredible spots. Wow, beautiful luxury sedan. This is a sports sedan, guys, the CLA 45. Wow, I believe this is the CLA 45S, guys. Wow. Wow, guys. The Porsche 997 GT3 OS, guys. The best supercar I spot this morning. Wow. Fast accelerations. Gotta be careful. Amazing, guys. Wow, guys. Over there on the other side is the BMW M4. Wow. I think that is an old friend. Nice, guys. Beautiful. Wow, wow, guys. Over there on the other side coming. A beautiful sport car. BMW M4, guys. Wow, I think that is an old friend, like, you see? Yeah, look at that beauty, guys. Wow. Nice old friend. Beautiful. With a chrome wheel, look really amazing, guys. Wow, the super luxury sedan, the new Bentley Mulsanne, guys. Wow, wow, and look classic old but brand new, guys. Amazing. Wow, wow, and another side, wow, luxury sedans. This is the Rolls Royce Ghost, two-tone color, guys. Very good, guys. Red. Wow, gorgeous gold color with a navy blue contrast. Wow, two-tone color, amazing, guys. Other sports sedans, BMW i3, guys. Nice BMW i8, guys. Super hybrid sport car. Nice. The door go up like a supercar, but it only has a 3-cylinder. Beautiful. Wow, guys, nice supercar coming. Mercedes CLA 45S. Silver with a gorgeous orange stripe. Nice. Wow, guys, over there on the other side, ultra luxury sedans. BMW 1 Series 2026 model, guys. Wow, nice. Wow, guys, over there on the other side coming is a nice sports car or supercar. Sami Suzuki Van Mac, guys. Yeah, gorgeous purple color. Wow. Look at that beauty, guys. Nice. Wow, guys, now beautiful sedan is coming back. Siamese Benz. Wow. Beautiful, guys. Ultra luxury sedans. Yeah, nice sport car. Porsche Panamera. Nice, guys. Still look cool, even though it is the old model. Beautiful. Wow, guys, over there, beautiful ultra luxury sedans. BMW 5 Series 2026 model, guys. Wow. Amazing, guys. Wow, guys, over here, beautiful luxury sedan. Mercedes S560. My back edition. A nice luxury sedan. Tesla Model 3, guys. Beautiful. A beautiful luxury sport sedan, guys. Honda Civics. OS, guys, with a wing out. Wow. Wow, guys, over on the other side is another great ultra luxury sport sedan or sport SUV. Mercedes CLA 45S. Beautiful, guys. Nice. Wow, nice Mercedes. Beautiful, guys. Beautiful luxury sedan. Wow, guys, another beautiful ultra luxury sedan. BMW Sedans. Wow. Got that beauty and road presence, guys. With a quad exhaust pipe design. Another beautiful wild luxury sedans. The BYD Han EV, guys. This is a fully electric one. Nice. Over there, nice Mazda luxury sedan, guys. Fully electric one. Nice. Over there, another great wild luxury sedan, guys. My back is a 560, guys. Got a beautiful road presence. Nice. Followed by the LX 600 Turbo Sport. Wow, over there, an ultra luxury sedan, guys. The new Maybach S580, guys. Wait for it, wait for it. Here it comes. Wow. Beautiful, guys. Wow, another ultra luxury sedan. BMW 740 Li. Beautiful, guys. The predecessor of the 740i. Wow, here's another great luxury SUV. The new BMW X5. Nice. Followed by the Airo M9. Wow, and another Denza. Beautiful, guys. Wow, luxury SUV. Wow, beautiful luxury sedan. The Honda Civic OS. Wow. Nice, guys. Another nice luxury sedan. BYD CL05, guys. Over here, nice Geely Cool. Wow, guys, over there on the other side is the Audi ultra luxury sport car, guys. I believe to be the new OS events. Wow. Look at that beauty, guys. Wow, amazing, guys. Unbelievably beautiful, guys. Wow, wow, guys. Over there on the other side coming is the BMW 740i 2026 model, guys. BMW ultra luxury sedans. Wow. Great, guys. Nice. Amazing, guys. Wow, this beautiful luxury sedans coming back. BMW 740 Li, guys. Wow, guys, an old classic Mercedes is over there. Wow. Beautiful, guys. Over there on the other side, another beautiful luxury, wild luxury sedan, guys. BMW Sedans. Wow. Nice, guys. Beautiful wild luxury sedan, BMW i3. edition. Nice. And over there, the other side is Sportcars, Ford Mustang or Supercar, whatever you want to call it. Wow, look at that beauty. Nice. The other one is a Shelby Cobra GT300 or GT500, guys. Wow, another gorgeous wild luxury sedan. Sedans Maybach S80s, followed by the Ranger Raptor, and followed by the Denza wild luxury SUV.